So hey guys, welcome back to another video. Still more, only 2 days are left for my JEE Mains examination, and I hope that every one of you are literally preparing so well for your exam. And I'm here training so hard each and every day. Doesn't matter whatever the exam is, and like my classmates who used to send me reels every day had even stopped sending me reels, and everyone is literally so much stressed and feared about the examination. But I don't know why I am not getting any kind of fear. Earlier I used to get fear of my 10th boards. Like when I was just appearing that exam, I just literally, my heartbeat was literally a lot increased, and I was a lot feared at that time. But now I don't know why aren't I getting any kind of fear, and I don't even know anything. Today itself I just read few formulas of, not today itself, I just revised the formulas that I have previously solved the problems. And yeah, so today I just revised the formulas of chemistry and physics of few chapters. And maths, to be honest, I don't even know anything about that, but let's see, hope for the best. And I am damn sure that I won't be even able to solve one question that I get in the exam. But yeah, even when I know that I don't know anything, I'm still not having any kind of fear. That's the magic. And yeah, so why to stress out just for an exam? Let's see what happens. And yeah, so today I'm going to train my triceps and even my back. So let's begin the workout. And this video I won't be showing you my whole workout, because if I record my whole workout, that would literally take me 3 to 4 hours to edit that single video, and I don't have that much of time. And currently I'm having my workout in the evening, so yeah, I don't have that much time to edit by staying awake whole night, because I need to be even sleeping for at least minimum of about 6 to 7 hours. So I'll be prioritizing my sleep. So I'll be just having a simple video. I'll be recording that and I'll be just uploading that. So yeah, so that's it. Fully exhausted right now. So this is the pump that I have got so far, and don't care about the results. Just try your best. The efforts that you put in matters a lot. So yeah. So I hope you like this video. Stay strong, stay consistent. Thank you so much for watching.